Guys, with our corrections phase finally coming to an end, we are headed into a brand new bull run, and I have proof in today's video that that's exactly what we're doing. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if we're headed up or down with Dogecoin, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. That's how you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in when the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm buying in so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you only have $100, $500, $1,000 to invest, guys, it's never too little. We've seen our patrons double their money time and time again. Always have some cash on the side to buy the dips. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Comment anything down below. Follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, as I keep saying, when Bitcoin breaks through the 40,000 level again, guys, we're going to see all the altcoins, the whole crypto market, jump up and bounce up along with it. And that will likely happen very soon for the Bitcoin expiry, as I discussed in my previous video, happening towards the end of this month. Also, the massive event, the Jack Dorsey, Elon Musk event, the Bitcoin event, where Elon will likely be announcing something massive towards the end of this month as well. So we're likely headed on a brand new bull run, which I'm also going to be discussing later on in the video. Guys, when Bitcoin is pumping, investors oftentimes get very excited about purchasing altcoins. When Bitcoin is trading sideways, there's not quite as much excitement in the marketplace. People jump on those altcoins with the hope, with the idea that they will have financial freedom in the very near future. And if you play your cards right and buy at these steep dips like I'm letting you guys know about on my Patreon, it makes that path much easier. Bitcoin is the most stable cryptocurrency that you can invest in, unless you're investing in stablecoins and only collecting the interest. Guys, when Elon Musk tweeted out that they're going to start accepting Bitcoin again, you saw the crypto market have many green days. Guys, Elon Musk has a lot of power, as you can see, not just over Dogecoin, but also over cryptocurrencies in general. He's going to start accepting Bitcoin again on Tesla, and will likely announce this later on this month at the massive Bitcoin conference event. What I think he'll do is I think he'll also announce that they'll be accepting Dogecoin as well. Guys, this will cause Dogecoin to likely hit 50, 60 cents. It wouldn't surprise me if it hit $1 just when this was announced as well. The crypto market may be a bit bearish right now, but we're not in a bear market. Guys, if we were in a bear market, we would have seen it go down for much longer than we've seen. We are still in a bull market. They are currently correcting and recovering because we have so many fundamental catalysts still in the works, not only for Dogecoin, but also Bitcoin and Ethereum. With the massive hard fork update coming for Ethereum later on in August, guys, expect Ethereum to bounce very hard as well. Guys, if you invest now in these infancy stages of crypto, you will likely see your money 10x just within 3 to 5 years, especially if you buy at these steep dips, these rare times to get in. Get in, not for a quick buck, but for the long run. And if it does end up reaching a peak within a short amount of time, guys, you can sell. I let you guys know when we've reached that peak, and then you can sell just as we've done many times. However, always have your money in with the thought in mind that you will keep it in for the long run in case it doesn't bounce quite where you want it to within that particular amount of time. Never sell for less than you bought in for, guys. You don't want to have FOMO when it's on the rise, when it's going up again. You want to be getting in at these huge dips so that you are confident to maintain those diamond hands until you reach the profits that you so desire. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. If you want to trade cryptos tax-free, you can use my iTrust Capital link in the top pinned comment. Also in the top pinned comment is my Webull link if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Every single year, we see cryptos as a whole going up. Guys, they keep doubling every single year. So it is literally, hands down, one of the best financial investments you could possibly make. Guys, I have some data to share with you to prove to you that we are about to be on a whole nother bull run. Willy Woo on Twitter just released a chart, an adoption curves chart. It talks about how Bitcoin has roughly the same number of adopters that the internet had in 1997. He explains how Bitcoin is actually growing faster, and just within the next 4 years, it will likely reach 1 billion users. 1 billion people invested in Bitcoin. That is roughly the same growth, the same number that the internet had in 2005. Yet Bitcoin still outperforming that. Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin are also being mass adopted. So this growth will inevitably sync up to Bitcoin and follow up along with it. So guys, if you want to be invested in these other altcoins as well. Guys, we might see a lot of volatility in the short term. We may see it going down a lot. We may see it going up a little. But when we zoom out, overall, we see these cryptos jumping up. We see them doubling. We see them going straight up on the crypto charts. And that's another reason we should be incredibly confident with investing our money. Guys, the reason we're not seeing a huge bounce on Bitcoin right now with these dips is because these investors, these whales are putting their money, putting their crypto investments into cold wallets. Guys, that means that they plan on holding it for the long run. They know that in just 3 to 5 years, we will likely see Bitcoin surging past 100,000, surging past $200,000 or even $300,000. Guys, we've had about 90 days of a bearish market currently. These investors, these massive whales are buying up Bitcoin right now because they're seeing these charts just like I'm sharing with you guys today. Guys, trillions of dollars are about to flow into Bitcoin with this Bitcoin expiry. Guys, not only that, but do you really think that we're going to see more of a bearish market when this happens? No, we're obviously going to see it go up. An uptrend is just right around the corner, and we'll be on another bull run very soon. And guys, on another bull run, Elon's tweets are that much more powerful, and he knows this. So we will start seeing him tweet out more about Bitcoin and Dogecoin, guys. This is very exciting. A very exciting time period is about to come for cryptocurrencies. Guys, just last night, we saw Bitcoin hitting $32,000. It is on its way back up. It's going to hit 35,000 next. That is the next level of resistance. And then the next one after that will be 40,000. Guys, with every dip, we must have a peak. And with every peak, we've got to have a cool down corrections period. This is completely normal and completely healthy for a strong bull run. And guys, as Bitcoin goes up, expect for Dogecoin and other altcoins to follow up along with it. We are seeing an inverted head and shoulders start to form on the Bitcoin chart. Guys, this generally happens just before a huge uptrend. Guys, with a double bottom forming on our Dogecoin chart, as you can see right here, we are about to have a huge uptrend. Guys, expect to see a bullish flag forming with a bullish pennant as well, and then consolidating into another uptrend after that. Guys, don't be surprised seeing Dogecoin go down a little bit. Guys, we hit 28 cents. We need a cool down period after that. This is completely normal. It is still a great time to get in. Cryptos are still on massive discount, really less than half the price of what they're actually worth. Guys, never get scared and have paper hands. Always hold strong with diamond hands. If you understand these cryptos, you won't get scared when you see them going down a little bit, because you'll understand the fundamental catalysts like I'm sharing with you guys on my channel. Guys, you're already ahead of the rest watching these videos. You know the future is very, very bright for cryptos, Dogecoin, altcoins, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a lot of these others that I'm calling out on my Patreon. Guys, if you haven't joined my Patreon already, you can do that in the top pinned comment. It's incredibly cheap and invaluable. That's how you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I let you guys know when I see a steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when we've only got about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm buying in, so you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, just as we've seen time and time again. I let you guys know that I'm selling so that you guys can sell as well, or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing. Smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Comment anything down below and follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.